Hello everyone, once again it's Iftikhar. Thank you being here. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to track your Calendly of booking form that embedded in your website like this. So let's get started. In this video for first, I assume that you already set up Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager in your website. If you are not, then I have already made a detailed video on this and I will give the link in the description. So let's begin. First, please go to the description of this video and you have see the link of this blog post and go to this blog post and you have see this code in here and you have to just copy from here and go to the tagmanager.google.com. In our tag, we have already installed our G tag and one is the clarity. That's in Google Analytics 4 already installed. So now we are going to install our Calendly listener tag and we'll fire every pages. Okay, so now first click on new and click on tag anywhere in this here and click on here and find out the custom HTML and paste it our HTML script. So and triggering option we have to select on all pages. Okay, and name it the Calendly listener. Okay, so click on save. Now this script helps us to listen the data layer and Calendly events. Okay, so just check it from here and copy this exact URL of here and when you click on the preview button and paste this link where our Calendly booking form has been embedded and click on connect. Okay, our Calendly booking form is completely loaded and go to the Google Tag Manager, Google Tag Assistant, and you see it here that there is two tags 7 and 8. There is a Calendly. Okay, so tag has been FA called. If I expand this, we see that there is in the data layer there is two event has been pushed in here. One is Calendly and there is Calendly event. If again the data layer, we see that this event and Calendly event. So here there's an event as Calendly and Calendly type has been viewed. And then so if we click on select any date and time, for example 12 a.m. and click on next and back to our tag assistant, we see that another Calendly events have been happened in here. There is the event is Calendly, but Calendly event is date and time selected. Okay, so again go to here and when we enter the details, for examples test and test.com and click on schedule events. Okay, our meeting has been scheduled and we go back in the tag assistant, we see another Calendly events in here. So we see that our event is Calendly and Calendly event is event schedule. So now we send this data to our Google Analytics 4. Okay, for example, so we make this event our trigger and this event as a data layer and send this data to our Analytics 4. Now we have to go to our Google Tag Manager and go to the variables. And from user defined variables, click on new and variable configuration. And here choose the data layer variable. And from here data layer variable name, we have to keep it this name, Calendly event. Okay, just copy it from here and put it here. And we give this name from here, Calendly event. Okay, let's name this like that and click on save. Okay, now then we have to create our triggers option. So click on trigger and click on new. And here you have find custom events, and event name will be the Calendly. Just copy from here. Okay, again, copy from here and paste it. And click on save. And now go to the tag. Here we have to click on new, and here the tag configuration, and we have to select Google Analytics and Google Analytics GA4 event. Okay, now here from our measurement ID we have to choose our first measurement ID. So now we go to our variable section and you see the GA4 and measurement ID. Here is event ID, and then we see our event name. Have to send our event name. So first we name it Calendly, and we want to send our event name after this Calendly event. Okay, and okay, we have to and trigger, from triggering option we have to select the Calendly custom events. Okay, so we name it, just to keep it name, just click on save. Now we are going to check our tag is work correctly or not. So click on preview, link, click on connect in here, and click on a date and see in here 12 a.m. and click on next. It's meeting are scheduled. So if we see details of this, so we have to go our analytics. Okay, log into your Google Analytics and go to the admin section and the data display, and here you see the debug view. Okay, click on here. Okay, you can find here there's an event type viewed, 2 tags in here, and one is calendar date and time has been scheduled, and calendar events scheduled. After 24 or 48 hours we can see these events in our events report. From engagement and events, we see these events in here in this list. Okay,
Hi, my name is Siptakhar Chaudhary. I am Marketing Analytics Engineer and Tracking and Measurement Specialist. For over 6 years, I have helped businesses, marketers, and agencies fix broken tracking, implement server-side tracking, and to make sure every clicks, leads, and sale is properly measured. I specialize in Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, Metapixel, and TikTok's event setup, including advanced server-side tagging. Using Step.io and Google Cloud, I have also taught over 10,000 people how to master tracking attribution and server implementation through my free online tutorials. If you want to scale your ads with accurate tracking and data-driven insights, let's work together and make your campaigns perform better.